Hello, this is the Tradesight U.S. Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Wednesday, June 10th, 2015. Hope you're having a good week. Had a nice trading session at least Tuesday morning after a slow Monday. We did dip down. Here's a look at the ES front month futures contract. Obviously still stuck in this horribly narrow range we've been in now for a while, but we did dip down very near the 2062.50. That's the blue line. That's the cosmic number right now, as they call it. It's the place that the market's drawn to. Over the last literally 6 months. Unbelievable how many times we've played with that level day in, day out since November even. The week of Thanksgiving is when we first got here, and we are still here. Not a positive for those of us who like to see the market move around either way. Here's a look at the, what did we do for the day? S&P literally, after dipping towards that level, S&P literally up less than a point, 0.87. NDX down 3.9. SOX is down less than a point, also flat after dipping. Biotech's down 27. Doesn't even look like much when you look at the size of this index. Google down a point, $1.32 or so, still mid-range for its recent activity. Apple rolled over a little more, down 38 cents. Got the VIX down 82. Got the crude oil up 33.5 cents. And YG, the gold contract, up $3.30. Trin closed the day very low at 0.6. That's bringing that 10-day moving average down rather quickly here. If it wasn't for the one reading back on Friday, I guess it was, Thursday last week, which was way up in that 1.7 area, we'd have a 10-day moving average dropping really quickly right now. Let's see if I count the days back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We've got a low number and then a high number coming off over the next 2 days. So hard to see this getting into any danger territory yet. All right, let's take a look at the intraday action during the day on Tuesday. Let's look at the 5-minute candles. You can see Monday, we didn't do a report last night. Monday, we slipped a little bit. Tuesday, we opened. Now, the problem with Monday was it was so flat early, and then ahead into lunch, the move was actually over lunch, and that's not what we like. Tuesday was a little more interesting. Opened up and dropped pretty good for the first 30 minutes. We had a lot of nice winners. 6 of our trades that triggered in that period all worked. So it was a good morning for us. Then it kind of came back up and then headed into lunch about even. Went back up a little bit, tried to hold it, came back down, hit the VWAP, and closed basically. Actually, if you realize that there's 3 extra bars here after the market closed, that blue candle, fourth to last candle, is the actual close of the stock market. And we closed right on the VWAP after all that. Unbelievable. NASDAQ side, not much different. Did close a little bit better above the VWAP, but still basically flat for the day. All right, so what do we have to look forward to at this point? Well, more of the same, obviously. We can look at volume. On the day, it was 1.6 billion shares on the NASDAQ. That's better than Friday. Monday's 1.55 or so. But still nothing super exciting that we can get overly emphatic about. Remember, we are coming up to that quarterly futures contract roll, which affects the whole market over a 24-hour window. So Wednesday is probably our last big chance for some good, exciting movement here. We've got MBA mortgage index at 7 a.m., crude oil inventories an hour in, and Treasury budget at 2 p.m. Eastern time. So light on economic data again, but it's a straightforward trading day. Technically, Thursday, the contract just starts to roll. Friday is the dead day for sure. After the contract rolls, it's the first day with all the money in the new contract, and so that's a non-technical day. Most of the big players will stay out. Thursday still has a chance, and Thursday we do have a lot more data. We'll talk about that tomorrow night. But maybe Wednesday still get a move, a little bit better volume. We'd really like to see this market head a little bit lower, a little bit faster, give us some better opportunities. At any rate, we will be in the lab helping you make money. Charts brought to you by eSignal as usual. Have a great trading day.